glad that you're joining me today for this day in the life. It is our last day of summer break. It's Friday. We start school back Monday. I gave the kids one extra week because their grandparents wanted to take them for the week. So we are finally about to start school. So I have a sink full of dishes. I have laundry everywhere. My bed's unmade. My house is dirty. And I really need to do those things. But I think it's more important today that we enjoy this last day of summer break. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to have so much fun. I am actually here at my chiropractor appointment, but after I get done with this, I'm going to head back home, pick up the kids, pick up Zach. He's off today, and we're going to go shopping for back to school clothes. So something we love to do every year is take them to shop for a back to school outfit. Even though they'll be at home, it's still a fun thing and a fun tradition that they love to do. So we're going to do that. We're gonna grab some lunch. We are gonna go probably get some peaches this afternoon, maybe some like fresh peach ice cream, and then we'll probably order some pizza tonight because that's usually our tradition for Friday nights. And we're just gonna have a sweet little fun family day. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and I hope you enjoy it.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we?
I would show you guys our little haul. We all got a few things, except for Zach, actually. He didn't get anything. But first the boys chose, they didn't really need any pants for back to school, so we really just got shirts for them to wear on their first day back. Landon got 2 shirts because he is in need of some shirts right now, and he's clearly into dinosaurs. So he got these 2 cute shirts. Gabe is into football, so he got this shirt. Amy got this little rainbow shirt. She thought it was so cute. She also, and Landon, got these little things to stick in their Crocs. Gabe got a little car, and Amy also got some of these little hair clips from Forever 21. And then I got some jeans. I actually bought these online and then picked them up in store because it was a lot cheaper to do it that way, because online they were having a sale. So these are just like the American Eagle high-rise jeggings. And they are so comfortable, y'all. They're so stretchy, and I desperately needed some jeans. And then Forever 21 was having a buy one get one free sale for their like clearance stuff. And so I found these like sleep sweatpants kind of thing, and then these other pair of like gray, like kind of distressed sweatpants. So I kind of like live in sweatpants during school days, so these will be perfect. And then I needed some like hair accessories. I got this cute little hair tie, and then I got this little headband, and I also needed some sunglasses because mine are scratched up, and I never pay more than like $6 really for a pair of glasses because they always get stepped on or chewed on or broken somehow in my crazy life. So just cheap sunglasses always work really well for me.
Stay here together. If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause
We're back home from the mall. We had such a fun time. I can't tell you the last time we have been to the mall as a family. It's been a long time. So that was fun. I'm gonna put away all the stuff that we got. Yo, we got some really good deals. They're having some really good deals. I don't know if it's because of inflation and they're hurting, or if it's just because it's back to school time. I don't know, but we got some really good deals. So especially at like Children's Place and Forever 21. So hit those up if you have one near you. Anyways, I have a little bit because we're letting the two babies take a nap before we head out to get ice cream and peaches. So I'm gonna get some housework done, gonna throw some laundry in, and see how much of the house chores I can get done before we go have more fun.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
I just realized I didn't explain to y'all what I'm doing. So Zach went up in the attic the other day and found me a whole bin of clothes that I could have been wearing like 4 months ago. But I knew I was missing some things, but I had just thought I had given them all away. So these are all like pre-baby clothes that finally fit, thank the Lord. And so I am just kind of going through it. Some of the stuff is like not stuff that I still want to keep. So I'm going through and figuring out what's winter, what's summer, what I need to donate, all of that.
This moment, can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up.
Since I'm cleaning, I thought I would share with you guys my new favorite cleaning hack. I have been using this Off-Brand Thieves. Okay, obviously this is a Method bottle, but this is just the bottle. Inside here is some Off-Brand Thieves. I'll try to show you guys what it looks like in a second. But I got it off Amazon. It's way cheaper than like your regular Thieves. It works exactly the same, smells exactly the same, and it has been awesome for cleaning. So I just put a tiny bit in there, and then I fill the rest with filtered water, and I use it to clean the bathrooms, to clean our countertops, like everything. It's so good. The other thing that I really love are these e-cloths. I got these on Amazon too. I'll link all this below for you. But they work so good. I used to have to use a really huge, intense like scrub brush to scrub our shower because the soap scum builds up so bad in there. But now all I have to use is this rag and that Thieves cleaner, and it gets super clean really easily. So these two things have completely changed our game. Other thing that I use, so I really just use like, I do still use Windex, y'all, because I know it's not great for you, but it works, and it doesn't leave streaks, and I have yet to find anything else that works as good. Although I did use vinegar and water the other day, and that worked really good. But this is the stuff I use to clean the toilets. It is also super clean for you. Doesn't have any yucky stuff in it. You can get it at Target. So I just wanted to share those because those are like clean products that are not going to mess with your hormones, not going to cause cancer. We've been trying to switch all of our cleaning products really for the last year and a half or two, and I finally found some stuff that I absolutely love. It took me a lot of tries to figure out, but I think these work the best in my opinion. About to mop this bathroom. I am still loving, if you saw on Instagram, I talk about this little spin mop all the time. It's still one of my favorite things. But I wanted to tell you guys, I used to really struggle with cleaning, like to figure out how to get it all done. It was really hard for me. And I felt like I needed to do it like all in one day, but it wasn't until recently, and you can see my video on this. I did a video where I talk all about my cleaning routine, but I started, it's probably like 6 months ago, doing like a cleaning routine where like on Tuesdays I always sweep and mop. On Wednesdays I always clean the bathrooms, and it has helped me so much. I have like a day I do dusting, a day I do the vacuuming, and it has helped so much, y'all. I don't feel near as overwhelmed with my cleaning as I used to. So watch that video, and I highly recommend getting yourself a cleaning schedule because it will save your life and your sanity.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here
little turn of events. My husband ended up going into work to work a few overtime hours, which we needed this month. So I am solo and the kids are hungry, and we're just gonna have some leftovers tonight, and we're gonna do pizza tomorrow night because Dad did not want to miss out on the pizza. So I am doing some leftover chicken casserole and some green beans. We're also having some fresh peaches that we got today and some leftover sourdough bread that I made last night. Got the fridge cleaned out, and that's what you saw Landon doing. He was taking down those scraps that I was throwing out to the chickens. We usually have a few evening chores that we have to get done, so that's what he was doing. I got the kids fed. I got bath time done. I threw another load of laundry in. I need to fold a few clothes tonight and get everybody in the bed. Need to clean up a little bit. I did get the dishes done and the kitchen wiped up. I'll clean a little bit up in the living room. That's something that's also really helped me, is to try to at least pick up like surface areas and wipe down things before I go to bed in the evenings. Really sets me up for success the next day. But yeah, the kids are gonna go to bed around 7:30 tonight. We're trying to get back in the groove after like 8:30, 9 o'clock bedtimes during the summer. Normally it's 7:30 on school night, so we're trying to get back into the swing of things since school is about to start back. So getting some little snuggle time in. Amy is watching Sing 2 over there. About to put her down and about to put this guy down. Well, that's going to be it for this day in the life video. I am about to take myself a bath, watch a good show, put some of this laundry away. But thank you guys so much for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure before you go to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like content like this, be sure that you subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.